Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera everyone, and welcome to our presentation Educational Innovation Fast Learning Kit Comic Poster DDA. Our team members are Azuyaria binti Mat Puji and Masliza Idani binti Mahmud. This presentation is structured based on the content of innovation poster. Our innovation objectives are: first, help students to better understand this topic and improve student performance. Second, to increase student motivation level and willingness to follow teaching and learning process. Third, teaching and learning process can be more enjoyable. Fourth, to open lecturers' mind to be creative and innovative. For information, the teaching method used before this are chalk and talk, discussion group, and do some exercises. The result from preliminary survey found that students who took the TPA 20033 financial accounting 2 course were not satisfactory. What we found that there is no improvement in student performance for topic accounting for property, plants, and equipment, especially for subtopic depreciation and disposal. The factor we can see is due to students being less focused and quickly bored. Findings from a questionnaire that has been distributed to students. Students are also did not get good grades in final exam for session 1 2021/2022. To solve this issue, we have created an innovation that has been named Fast Learning Kit Comic Poster DDA. This innovation is a DDA comic poster that has anime cartoon characters that display conversation situation and discussion about depreciation and disposal, along with example. Our project impact. The result of the analysis of the final exam of session 2 2021/2022 show positive result. Overall, there was an improvement student performance in session 2 2021/2022 after we implement Fast Learning Kit Comic Poster DDA in teaching and learning. As you can see on the screen, the result was increased by 23% between session 1 2021/2022 and session 2 2021/2022. The subject can be looked on the screen is Glide application, where there are complete notes and tutorial exercise can be accessed in the poster through the QR code provided. These notes and exercises have been used from the Glide application as a value added in the poster of comic. This is our implementation level. Start from we do some determined anime characters. And then after that we do the script writing and storyboard. After that we combine all storyboard. And then we do drawing, comic strip. After that, we checking and correction process around 6 days. After that, the last part is printing the poster. Let's see the innovation Fast Learning Kit Comic Poster DDA. This innovation is a DDA comic poster that has anime cartoon characters that display conversation situations and discussion about depreciation and disposal along with examples. Our poster focuses on the subtopic in the Accounting for Property, Plants and Equipment chapter, which is depreciation and disposal of asset. Comic poster DDA explains how to determine and how to calculate depreciation and asset disposal, and how to record depreciation and disposal account. To add the uniqueness of this poster, We provide a QR code where there are complete notes, exercises, and examples that use the blind application. Even more interesting, that is very user friendly. The advantage our product is that it's the first comic produced at PKK for the accounting courses. Besides that, it also has its own comic characters anime, which is more suitable for the alpha generation. Conclusion is we hope our fast learning kit comic poster DDA can help students and lecturers to facilitate the teaching and learning process. Process teaching and learning become faster and more fun and enjoyable. For more interesting, the innovation fast learning kit comic poster DDA will be improved in the future.